on my way to run a couple errands, and then we'll be back and we'll get started. Hi guys, happy Monday to you. Well, I went out to do a little bit of shopping today. I had planned on going out to gather a few materials for a Valentine's Day highly requested blooming lamp. And guys, I did not have any luck, and what they had out I was not liking, and I thought I'm not gonna buy it unless I love it. Didn't love it. So I had to reroute and decide what else I wanted to do. So I came up with this. Exhibit 1, Michaels. $14.99, 40% off. Exhibit 2, Styrofoam. It's gonna go in the urn. I should mention, this is a no glue gun project. I am winging this with some scissors and wire cutters and a prayer. I should mention, you guys know I have jumped right into spring. So with that in mind, I'm wanting to add some pops of green and pops of yellow because that's where I'm heading. So I found these two little floral picks. I loved the color. And how much were these? I don't even know. And I don't have my glasses on, so I'm as blind as a bat. Well, $14.99, ridiculous, 40% off. I didn't want to go back to Hobby Lobby. I was being lazy, so I was like, let's just get them. Ridiculous pricing though, I'm telling you. Then I came across these. Look how pretty these are. And what can I say about them other than they just make me smile? When I look at these, it reminds me of the sunshine and spring and bees and nature. I just had to have them. So I got them. $7.99, 40% off. Keep in mind, if you like any of these florals, you can always find them at the Dollar Tree, at other places. They're just as nice and way more affordable. So in hindsight, I should have gone there, but like I said, my Dollar Tree it's not good. I have to go clear across town to a good one, and I just wasn't gonna drive that far today. So just keep that in mind. Now, the key to any beautiful arrangement is layer, layer, layer. Texture, texture, texture. Recite that to yourself every time you want to make your own floral arrangement because it really gives it a jazzed up sort of look. So I went and found these, and these were, $4.99, 40% off. I got two of them. I'm planning on snipping these off and adding these in so they sort of cascade outward. That will give this a more natural look. Let's get started. Let's do this. Styrofoam. Urn. I'm sticking it in like this. No glue required. You know what? I put it in wrong and it's stuck. So anyway, just stick it in like this. I did it again. What is wrong with me today? There we go. And see, it's in there, and I'm just gonna press down. And it's in there snug as a bug in a rug. No glue gun required. I'm telling you guys, this is gonna be so simple. Urn, floral pick. I'm gonna stick this directly in the center and push down. It's gonna look funky. That's okay, because we're gonna fill in just a moment. And that's as far as it's gonna go. So that's what it looks like so far. Don't you worry, it's gonna get gorgeous. Now I've got my wire cutters. I'm gonna cut these off at the end so I have a pile of them, and then I'm gonna go in and fill in, down below. So let me do that and then we'll start sticking these in. Snipped them all apart, so I've got a bunch of little branches. In hindsight, I wish I would have gotten one more. But now what I'm doing is I'm gonna fill in down below. You can see I've got 2 in there, but I'm just gonna stick them in as far as it'll go. Like that. And this is what it looks like. If I wanted to, I could leave it as is and just fill in with some moss down here and call it done. But I'm a little extra, so I'm gonna try to add in some of these to add that pop of color. So I just snipped one off. You gotta use some muscle power with your wire cutters, but I'm gonna put these in ever so delicately around the base. And I'm loving the pops of yellow. I need to, where's the other? Well, I've got 2 more, so I need to snip these and I'll just continue around, adding pops of yellow. I'm making a big mess of myself. But now what I'm doing is taking the leaves and I'm sort of pulling them out gently in between these yellow pieces, these yellow stems. So it looks a little more, you can see, it looks more natural that way, trust me. All right, so this is what it looks like so far. And now I'm gonna take some of these and I'm gonna snip them and then place them sort of in at the top so they kind of cascade outward. So wire cutters, greenery unites. So I've snipped this and now I'm just gonna take this and go in and stick it into the styrofoam. Now I'm gonna snip these. Here we go. Now we can go fill in with these. And that's how it turned out. Here's the urn. The little pops of yellow, and I love the little wispy pieces. And there you have it. I think this is adorable for any tabletop display for spring or summer. I think it's really, really cute. And I love the wispiness to this. So I hope you guys will give it a try. Use what florals you like. Use a container you like. Doesn't have to be expensive. Like I said, go to the Dollar Tree. And no glue required. And then you can tear this apart. You can use these if you choose to do so in another container. So sky's the limit. Well, that's going to wrap up my video today. I've got the whole family home today, and it's so hard to film with them going in and out of rooms and doors, and it's almost impossible. So I'm going to wrap this one up, and I did get some more stuff at Michael's for 2 potential DIY projects coming up later this week that I think are going to be adorable. So stay tuned for that. And we're going to be doing some Decorate With Me's also this week. So lots to do around here. I do want to do a quick shout out, and I hope to God she's watching. I ran into somebody that recognized me from my channel when we did our college tour. We were on the bus, and when we got off, she said, "I think I know you. Are you Liz from Traditions by the Seasons?" And I said, "Yes." And so anyway, we got to talking. She was the nicest lady, had a beautiful daughter and her husband with her. They were as nice as could be. Her name is Crystal. So I just want to say hi, Crystal. And I do know you mentioned that your mother watches me. So I want to say hi to your mom. Hi. And apologize, because I know I said I was going to do a shout out on my next video. And with the craziness of taking down Christmas and just everything, it completely bypassed my brain. So I remember today, and I just wanted to say hi. It was so nice to meet you. And anyway, that's it. That's it, guys. And come back and see me Wednesday. Thank you all for your lovely comments. You guys are the best, and I adore all of you. I really do. Please know, for all my new subscribers, I'm lousy at responding, but because I'm a busy mom, the day escapes me. Let's just say that. But love you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your love and support. You guys are the best. Mwah! I'll see you Wednesday.